This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next episode of Shoutout Thursday. As always, if you have a channel that needs a shout out, or know of a channel that can use a shout out, please send an email to thelockpicker1969@gmail.com with the name of the YouTuber and a link to their channel so I can get over and check them out and add them to the list. The list is getting short here, so I do need some suggestions soon, or I will not be able to continue doing these shoutouts. So with that, let's dive into today's shoutouts. First up, we've got Every Lock is Unique. With 71 subscribers and 72 videos, get over and check him out. It looks like he's got these profiles for these videos that show the actual lock, and looks like he's got some pretty good stuff on here. So if I'm interpreting it correctly, this looks like it's been a kind of a journey through the locks he's worked on up to this point. So very interesting channel. Check it out. Give him a subscribe. And next we got Lock and Kilo, 115 videos, 3.54 thousand subscribers. Good stuff. The content's a little bit old, but it's still relevant today. Definitely get over and check out the channel. And you know, the last video that he did was 3 months ago, but give him some encouragement to start putting up some content again, maybe. Last but not least is the Lock Picking Lebowski. He's had some activity recently on his channel. 1.89 thousand subscribers, 91 videos. Looks like he's got quite a few videos on there worth checking out. Get over and give him a subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, with that, we'll wrap this one up. If you are a subscriber, thank you. If you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. And thanks for listening.